Hello all, welcome to our channel. Any new website, after creating control panel, I have to download the particular website files. So how to download? First of all, log in CPanel the specific website. Go to CPanel option. The option name is called File Manager. Uploading, downloading, the option name is called File Manager. After File Manager, we have to go public underscore HTML. After that, what are the files we have in public underscore HTML? Select all, right click. The option name is called compress. In compress will be zip format. What is our domain name? Same domain name, add will be here. With the date and time, whatever you're interested, you can. Why? Because every website backup is the first important. Every website backup is the first important. After backup done, just right click, click for download. Then in a fraction of seconds, file will be download on your particular laptop or desktop. This pattern will be followed for laptop and desktop and mobile version. Anything will be same pattern, nothing different. But the storage will be laptop is a laptop storage, desktop is a desktop storage, and your mobile is a mobile storage. So suppose I'm not looking for my storage space in my PC. Keeping away from, keep in this your particular hosting panel also. Anytime you can download this file. They cannot be deleted by your hosting team or your cPanel team. That only you can download anytime after give the your particular files option. Simple, select all, right click and compress and with the proper name done. The finally like this, right click, click for the download option. So these are the pattern we have to follow and a particular users to the download the files from control panel option. If any further question, please contact our channel. I definitely will be support you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.